5 ways we use AI without knowing about it. Personalized marketing. AI can collect data about users' activities on social media. It helps them suggest to consumers the most suitable offers according to their preferences, interests, and needs. In addition, brands can push personalized suggestions based on the location of their potential customer. Moreover, not only people's likes, tweets, and shares and comments are analyzed, Google search queries are also part of the data analyzed by AI. Voice assistants. Voice assistants are a big part of people's lives. More than half of Americans use digital voice assistants to interact with their phones. Additionally, approximately 40% of people utilize the voice search function at least once a day. Users utilize voice assistants in various ways, from creating their daily schedule to asking about the weather forecast. Such assistants are programs that listen to verbal commands, process them, and create an appropriate response. These tools process natural language and use AI-driven generators to reply to the given inquiries. Navigation and traveling. The role of AI in navigation and traveling experiences rapid growth. AI-powered travel aids go far beyond simple apps like Google Maps. There are thousands and millions of bytes of geographical data that are updated every second. People would not manage to process these amounts of information manually. Hence, only machine learning algorithms can effectively check the updated data. Moreover, various travel apps, including Google Maps, implement AI to track traffic on the roads and update weather conditions in requested areas in real time. It allows these tools to suggest the best ways to avoid gridlocks. Facial recognition technologies. Everybody knows about Face ID, as it is implemented in almost all mobile phones and other devices. This tool uses AI to recognize people's faces and confirm their identity. However, despite the traditional use for accessing your device, facial recognition can be used differently. For example, this AI-powered tool allows recognizing people in photos and videos or even in real time. Moreover, various companies try to teach AI to recognize emotions and their customers' moods based on people's facial expressions. It is in an area of interest for many companies seeking to improve their customer service. Smart home devices. Although smart homes are not the most popular types of AI applications, they are quite broad-based. We all know stories about homes that can turn on or off the light, change the temperature, and open doors. These tools and functions are also performed by machine learning algorithms. Artificial intelligence surrounds us in our day-to-day life in many ways we don't know. This technology makes our life easier. Therefore, it is beneficial to know about various AI applications to utilize them.